It is given that on a new scale of temperature which is linear and called W scale, the freezing and the boiling point of water are 39 W and 239 W respectively. So we can just consider that in this new thermometer scale, the lower fixed point is given as nothing but 39 and upper fixed point is given as nothing but 239. What will be the temperature on new scale corresponds to a temperature of 39 degree Celsius. So we are going to compare it with degree Celsius. On degree Celsius, lower fixed point is 0, upper fixed point is 100. And if reading on degree Celsius scale is 39, our aim is to find out what about the corresponding reading in this thermometer scale. Let's say this is represented by W. So we can just write it as the equation, that is reading minus its lower fixed point divided by upper fixed point divided by lower fixed point should be equal to corresponding reading in degree Celsius scale minus its lower fixed point divided by its upper fixed point minus lower fixed point. So we can write this W divided by 39 divided by 200 as equal to, we can guess 39 divided by 100, so this one get cancelled. So we can write W divided minus 39 as equal to nothing but 39 into 2. So we can write this is equal to nothing but 78. So the value of this W is equal to 78 plus 39, which is equal to 117.